Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, and today we're in Utah because my mom wants to do a bunch of hiking at the Zion Canyon. So in yesterday's video I said I would show you guys how the car looked in the morning because yesterday it was really dark, and so this is how it looks.
Hey Dom!
What up? Are you okay? Did you just eat it?
I bet it, man. Help me up, Nicholas.
So my dad just ate it over there, so now he's gonna, my brother help him get up, and so I'll show you how the car looks now. It's a white Mazda 3. I think it's pretty lit. Right now we're on our way to the Zion Canyon and we're gonna do a couple hikes there. So yeah. So we just got here and now we're gonna go up on the canyon, so I'll see you guys up there.
Jenna, this is Sarah Schroeder calling. We wanted to confirm
That's amazing.
Sarah, you guys fell in love on the track? Oh, yeah, I do. You're really annoying.
In 1918, the name was changed to Zion National Monument, before it was redesignated as National Park in 1996. Art itself preserved
and I can put it on my timer or the mover or the slide, where it's like moving as it's going. It would actually kind of look cool right now. I feel like this will go.
Yeah, and it should block the wind for the most part.
There are a couple of rock climbers on the right. Just starting out.
Oh yeah, check.
Oh, so people do climb this.
I want to climb it. Can we climb it?
I don't see anybody. Give you more room.
Are you not supposed to be in your car here? Where's our car?
So we just got to Narrows and this is the view. Now we're gonna walk back and go to a different trail or hike.
Hey, look. It's like a deer something.
We just got to a viewpoint called Weeping Rock, and so this is how it looks. So now we're going up the, what is it called?
Hidden Canyon.
The Hidden Canyon Trail, and so it's gonna take like about 2 hours, and so I'll see you guys when I get to the top. We just got past the halfway mark. It's a crazy view, so I'll show you guys it once I get to the top because it'll be better. This is the view at the top. You have to hold on to these chains. It's quite sketchy. Here's another big viewing area. So we just got down the trail. I forget what it's called, but now I think we're doing another trail, and yeah, I'll walk up there too. We just walked like about 20 minutes up to the Upper Emerald Pool, and we see this guy. Boy, there's like a, how big of a drop is there, Nick?
I want to say 100 feet.
Really?
100 feet.
There's a huge drop after this river. Right there. Oh my god. It's pretty scary. I'll see you guys when I get down. We just made it to another waterfall. I like this one better though. I'll show you the view. So right now we just got in the car and we're gonna go through a tunnel to get to another hike. Right now we're going through the tunnel. That tunnel was so sick, but now we're doing another trail or hike. So we just got up to the canyon overlook trail, and this is the view. That's the tunnel.
Did you get that picture done?
So we're just getting down the canyon overlook trail, and so I think that's going to be it for the video. So subscribe if you're new, and like and share with your friends if you enjoyed. Peace. It's been Richie Boy.